Wish TV's Focus on Food is a commitment to improving food accessibility in the community. Hear from expert culinary contributors, health professionals, and people who are making a difference in the fight to eradicate hunger. Made possible by Indiana University Health.
Food pantries say changes to the food stamp program would affect more than 500,000 Indiana families. The changes are part of the budget bill now in Congress. News 8's government reporter Garrett Berquist explains why the pantries say this would stretch them to their limit.
Staff here at the Catholic Charities Food Pantry just north of downtown say they go through about 500 cans of food like this one every single day, and they say the need is only getting greater. Catholic Charities Executive Director David Bethurum says the number of people using this food pantry has gone up by 40% over the past 18 months.
We've seen an increase of children with family with children. We've seen an increase with seniors needing food assistance. Food insecurity is not going away.
The budget bill in Congress makes several changes to the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP. Current law requires able-bodied adults between the ages of 18 and 54 without dependent children to work or volunteer for at least 20 hours per week. The bill would expand that work requirement to adults up to age 64 and to parents with children ages 7 or older. Hunger relief advocates say that's hard to do if you're also trying to find shelter or childcare, or if you're in college. They say most families already can only get through about 2 to 3 weeks per month using SNAP benefits.
As inflation has happened and then COVID happened, we've seen more and more working families forming those lines. So you actually have people who are not only working 1, sometimes 2, sometimes more, 3 jobs, or working and helping out another family member.
Congressional Republicans say SNAP program expenses have grown by more than 80%. They say they want to ensure program dollars go to those who truly need it. But Lynch says it could jeopardize benefits for about 610,000 families. Bethurum says food pantries like his would have to find more donations and volunteers if the changes go through. He says many of their main sources of food, such as gleaners, would be at capacity.
We would hope that we'd be able to fill the gap, but you really don't know until the people start coming in. It's going to be a challenge because we're already having a challenge keeping up with food insecurity as it is.
The budget bill is far from a done deal. Even if it passes the House in its current form, it then has to go through the Senate, and the House and the Senate would have to hammer out any differences between the versions they pass.
This is the Wish TV Focus on Food podcast, made possible by Indiana University Health. Find more on the Focus on Food website by visiting wishtv.com/food and watch the ongoing coverage on Wish TV.